dial-in crew there. We also, their tailpiece that was out before, if you watch our videos before, keep up on our progress. This was together, we got it all drilled apart. We're working on straightening it out. We're in a progress mode. But we got this here fitting really pretty nicely there. So we're pretty happy with that there. We'll get the other piece straightened out that we work on. Takes a little bit of time beating and banging, and we'll get it set in there also. We also have our brackets here that we drilled off. Reinforcement, 415 behind all them. Got all those back on. We got our center sections there ready to go. So that's where we're at with it. We'll get all that loaded back on. And a little bit closer video for you, we'll go from there. But it's coming along nicely. If you're not following our channel, follow. Keep up on our progress with it, or 1970 machine. It is a project. Very cool project. All right, we'll get a little closer video, let you see what it looks like here, and we'll get back at it. All right, here we go. We're just doing a little dolly work on our tail pan piece right there. It was really twisted up and beat up. It's come a long ways though. Just a little bit of time, a little dolly and a little hammering. Got our back piece there straightened out. Got our brackets off, ready to weld on. So it's really looking good right through there. So we'll get that finished up there. Get ready to flip it back over and weld all our other pieces in, and we'll come back at it. All right, our 1970 Machine Rebel.